Pedosphere as a part of the Earth's subsystem can be described as an area where all subsystems converge. As a result, the presence of a diverse terrestrial life in the planet. In this session, you will be able to appreciate the importance of the pedosphere and understand the factors affecting the characteristics of the pedosphere. Pedosphere, or in simpler terms, the soil, is composed of organic matter, water, air, and bits of mineral. The quality and the formation of soil are affected by the parent material of the soil itself. Based from our previous discussion about minerals and rocks, soil, aside from rock, is one of minerals' simpler form. The climate, topography, or where the area is situated, biological factors, and of course time are factors which affect the characteristic of pedosphere. By this, you might notice some hints from the four subsystems. Based from these factors, the feature of the soil may highly be impacted, especially the way it looks or its texture. Soil texture varies from large fragments such as gravel to smaller particles such as clay. Proportions of clay, soil, or sand and gravel create categories of soil which may be useful for a certain purpose but not necessarily in others. Example, construction and pottery. The former needs large particulates such as sand, while the latter needs more refined texture like clay. Depende sa mga factor na nabanggit ay maaaring maging pino ang lupa. Habang mas bata ito, ay mas buo-buo o sandy at gravel ang itsura. Ngunit dahil sa iba't ibang proseso na maaari nitong pagdaanan, gaya ng weathering, ay nagiging mas pino ang lupa. Maaari din na magkahalo-halo ang iba't ibang klase ng mga ito na siyang mas kapaki-pakinabang sa kagamitan ng lupa. Since soil usually undergoes weathering, erosion, and deposition, which are exogenic-driven process, the crust may be layered. These layers can be classified into various soil profile. Soil profile extends from topsoil to the bedrock itself. Mostly, soil has three major divisions or what we call horizons: the surface horizon, the subsoil, and substratum. Surface horizon is the uppermost layer of soil in which it is more exposed to elements, including organic matter. The subsoil is mostly composed of clay and residual nutrients from the topsoil. The substratum is the deepest layer of the pedosphere, which is composed of partially altered parent material including the layer above the bedrock. Base sa may interaction ng lupa sa iba't ibang subsystem, mas nagiging mayaman ang lupa sa iba't ibang material. At habang mas papalapit naman ito sa ilalim, ay mas nagiging purong bato ito. Soil order refers to the soil classification system, which is used to identify, understand, and manage soil. Sa klasifikasyon na nababanggit sa soil order ay mas nakikilala natin kung saan ito maaaring magamit at mas kapaki-pakinabang. In the bigger picture, soil may have different phases across the globe. Some are rich with minerals and organic matter such as soil found in the tropics and forests, while some are plainly ground rocks and minerals such as the desert. This is where the climate and topography come into play with how soil will be formed and have its distinct characterization. Soil and its various distinctions provide us various services we need. For example, farming needs a healthy type of soil, while potable water stored underground is only possible due to the porous types of soil serving as a natural filtration mechanism. Soil is also important in the distribution and cycling of nutrients, mineral deposits, and of course, foundation and support for infrastructures. However, unlike other resources, damage to the pedosphere may not be reversible. Due to our demands, the soil is under pressure with activities such as agriculture and chemical inputs from fertilizers, land conversion for more industries, and rapid urbanization to accommodate the populace. The quality of soil, aside from above mentioned, degrades due to erosions, compaction, desertification, agriculture, and urbanization. Erosion of soil increases as abrupt changes in the climate take place, including diminishing number of forests, compaction due to pressure from structures, desertification due to the lack of water in a very long period of time, agriculture, which increases the amount of artificial chemicals, and urbanization, which increases more toxic inputs in soil due to pollution. On the other hand, we can also preserve the quality of soil by increasing organic matter in soil from reforestation and rehabilitation of forests, less tillage and input of agricultural and industrial products, along with reducing erosion and compaction by building structures to prevent it. Soil is important to life, as without it, we have nowhere to stand. Without the pedosphere, the food web may be imbalanced. That's all you need to know about the pedosphere in a flash. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.